Spaghetti and meatballs is one recipe that my family really love. And this afternoon is always a quick one when there's nothing to eat at home and I need to do a quick food for them. So they love this spaghetti and meatballs. So I'll be showing you how I cook it. It's very simple recipe, but I'll be giving you a detailed way how I came about it and how to cook it. So if you really want to know how I cooked this scrumptious delicacy, don't touch that dial. Just keep watching, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Yes, if you want to see more delicacies from me. So, but this is just one of them. So guys, stay tuned, keep watching. So I've got my hot water been boiling, and I will now be adding my spaghetti inside. So I love to cook my spaghetti like I am cooking rice, so I get to season them properly. So I have my olive oil that will be pouring inside. I have my Maggi aroma. This is just to sweeten my spaghetti. And I've got my salt, my knorr cubes, which is crushed. You guys, you know that I always crush my knorr cubes. And my special seasoning for my fried rice or jollof rice, then I will be adding. So we'll now be allowing that to sink in and to start getting soft. So guys, you're welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing fine. The weather is so beautiful here today. For the past few days it has been sunny and I'm so much loving it. So here is my meatballs. These meatballs I usually buy it from Ikea. I like it because it has been partly cooked. So I will be grilling it and I'll be dipping it inside some sauce, which I will be showing you guys. So the spaghetti is already cooking. So if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Like, share, and write a comment about this video that you are watching. So where are you watching me from? Please let me know. So like I said, I'll be grilling this like right now. So guys, stay tuned, don't go away, and let's cook this. It's a very simple recipe, and I'm sure everyone has seen different kind of spaghetti being cooked, and I'm sure you've seen me cook spaghetti on my channel a lot, but this one is a different style, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. So hang on guys and continue to watch. So guys, my spaghetti is now ready, and I will be rinsing it. I like to rinse my spaghetti so that I run the water over it, either cold or hot water. Run over it so that all the starch will go away, and obviously you don't want your spaghetti to stick together. So by rinsing it, you have it all separated. So this is what I have done with it now. So I'm going to allow it to drain a little bit, then I will now be pouring it inside the pot. So I put back the spaghetti on the hot plate. So this is always my trick, and this is my sauce which I will be using. So at one point in time, I'm very intentional about my cooking. So most of the time I always get to fry all this pepper and store it in my freezer for days like this, that I need to do a quick meal for the family. So that's what I am doing now. See the meatballs, I've already grilled it and I'll be pouring it inside. So like right now, you have to reduce the heat. So let me tell you, the spaghetti, I didn't allow the spaghetti to cook to that point that it will be so soft. because we want to make this spaghetti probably look like jollof rice, you know, and stuff like that. So that is what I am doing right now. So guys, please let me know in the comment section if you are the kind of person that likes spaghetti to be cooked like this. How do you cook your spaghetti? Please let me know in the comment section. Do you cook your spaghetti like jollof rice, or you just like, you know, there are different ways that you can cook spaghetti anyway. It depends on how you like it. Sometimes I get to use vegetables, sometimes I use mixed veg, you know, but today is just a quick one for them to be able to have something to eat. So, and I always have this in the freezer, so it makes it easier for me. So it's already coming together, you know. So guys, let me know in the comment section how you like your spaghetti to look like or taste like. This is definitely going to taste really nice, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate all of you. I appreciate all my subscribers. I appreciate all the new ones that are incoming. Thank you so much for considering to join the family. God bless you as you watch my video and as you leave a comment for me. God bless you. So please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will really appreciate it. So this is where I draw the curtains for making this video. Take care, stay safe, and please keep hydrated because the weather is really getting hot. I don't know about your end, but here it is really getting very hot. Not cold. You know, I usually tell you, oh, it's so cold, but this time around it's not cold though, it is hot. So guys, take care. Bye till I come your way again. Bye. Love you guys.